Hi, I'm Dan at Jangro Head Office. The Jangro LMS has been updated with a brand new section called LMS Premium. This new area has paid for content that covers off some of the bigger topics in the cleaning industry. In this video, I will show you how to request enrolment to our premium courses. If you report to a manager who has a linked account on our LMS platform, then any premium course access must be approved by the associated manager, who can purchase the required credits for these courses and approve or deny access to their associated staff. If you are unsure of this, please speak to your manager. Once logged into Jangro's LMS platform, there is now a section on the banner called Premium Training Course. If you select this from the banner, you can see an overview of the courses and a link to Enroll Me for each. Similarly, you can select each course from the banner drop-down and it will display the overview of that course and the Enroll link. To request enrolment, go to the required course and select Enroll Me. This will notify you that it is a premium course and give the disclaimer that if a course is started, then the assigned credits to purchase the course are non-refundable and cannot be transferred to another user or course. Choose Continue to this, and on this screen, choose Enroll Me again. If you scroll down this page, you should see confirmation that your enrolment request has been received and sent to your manager. Please be advised that if the manager rejects the enrolment request, it will advise of this under the credit section with the comments, "Your request has been denied by your manager." If you require enrolment to this course in the future, this will need to be done by your manager directly. In these scenarios where it has been denied, you cannot re-request enrolment, so you must contact your manager directly, who will need to enroll you from their side. For this example user, they have requested enrolment to the Working from Heights course and also the Supervisor course. The manager has approved the Working from Heights course and denied the Supervisor course. If you now go back to the required course, you can see now you have an option to enter course, which will start this. Similarly, if you choose the other course that the manager denied and choose Enroll Me, you will see here that the request has been denied by your manager. As mentioned previously, in this instance, your manager will need to grant access to the course from their side. You cannot re-request enrolment if your manager denies it. Once you start the course, they function in the same way as any other LMS course, but please be advised, as mentioned previously, as soon as you start this course, you will no longer be able to get the credits refunded for reuse against another user or another course.